salt.
The second ingredients that you'll mix together separately is 2 butter sticks, white sugar, brown sugar.
And then the last ingredients is vanilla, 2 eggs, and chocolate chips.
Okay, let's do it.
Now the cookie dough is ready.
Now what are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna take our cookie dough mold and we're gonna scoop it up, place it on the pan, and make little like scoops of cookie dough on here.
Okay, perfect.
Separated.
Let's go.
Now we're gonna bake it for 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so we're all done. It only took about 10 minutes. Now, we're going to try one. You guys grab one?
Yeah, everyone grab one.
Or have one, Michael? Just grab a wrench. Grab one.
Big one, this one.
This one.
Okay, how did it turn out?
They're so good.
I can't taste it yet.
And if you want to make it yourself, just get a Chipits packet, look at the back of it, and we'll have it right there. The perfect chocolate chip
But
cookie.
it's really good.
Okay, awesome.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Bye!
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.